Now your leaders will understand that the Decepticons will never leave planet Earth alone. Now, in the name of freedom, we bring the fight to them. Megatron has issued in the final blow. Even though we are worlds apart, it is more to the humans that meets the eye. Sam, put the cube into my chest. We must defeat Megatron and its hordes. Even though we stand as one, we are almighty. I am Optimus Prime, and we are all together as one. Before time began, there was the cube. We know not where it come from, only that it holds the power to create worlds and fill them with life. That is how a race was born. For a time we lived in harmony, but like all great power, some wanted it for good, others for evil, and so began a war that ravaged our planet, until we were consumed by death, and the cube was lost to the four reaches of space. We scattered across the galaxy, hoping to find it to rebuild our home, searching every star, every world, and just when our hope seemed lost, message of a new discovery. You are still an unknown planet called Earth, but we were already too late.